Hey, it's Maria with Wealth Creation, where we talk about passive income, active income, financial freedom, getting from where you are today to where you want to go tomorrow. And today I'm going to talk about the word diversify. So, a lot of people throw that word around. You have to diversify your investments, you have to do many different things. And I have a little bit different take on it than other people. For some people, they think diversifying is having a bunch of the same or similar things. For instance, if you are invested in stocks and bonds or like index funds or something like that, you diversify by investing in different funds. I understand that. You want some that are more conservative, some are a little bit more risky, some in different sectors, all of that type of thing. If you are investing in business, you might want to diversify by investing in different types of business or in different amounts in different businesses that are similar. I understand that. But when I think diversify, I go a little wider than that. I don't want my eggs all in one basket. So I don't have all my eggs in different colors or different sectors of the stock market, for instance. I have some of my eggs not in the stock market at all, or not in the bond market, or not in any kind of investing market at all. I have some of my eggs in business. I have some of them in e-com. I have some of them in brick and mortar stuff that I do. I have some in my job that I do for money. And I have some in more speculative things that might pay off big in the long run, but I could lose my money. Now, I don't put much in those, but I do put some in those. And I just wanted to talk about it for a minute because I think that's important. I think that if all of your money is in the markets, but in different sectors and different types of investments, whether it's Forex, stocks, crypto, bonds, futures, whatever, I still think it's important to go outside of that, outside of your regular investments, and to do other things besides just that, whether that means you get into an online business or a brick and mortar business, or you have a job, or you have a job and you have a part-time job in a totally different industry. I think that number one, it keeps things interesting. And number two, if the entire market crashes, which it does happen, sometimes one sector crashes more than another, but sometimes the whole thing kind of takes a tumble. But you're in a different business, like a brick and mortar, or you have a job, or you're in something that has nothing to do with markets. Maybe you're in real estate. That's another thing you could do. Then chances are one of those is going to be okay, while the other ones are getting a little rocky. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about, what I think of diversification, how I define it, and hopefully that gives you a little broader perspective yourself. So yeah, that's it for now. I wish you the best in all of your investing, and here's to our success.